Today we're making some incredible lobster tacos. Here's how it's done. I'll start with making the pickled chilies by combining distilled vinegar, lime juice, sliced garlic, a bay leaf, and salt. Bring this to a gentle simmer, then pour this over your sliced Fresno chilies. Let this sit for 20 minutes before refrigerating. Next, heat your Charbroil Performance Series gas griddle over high heat. Add on some oil and cook poblano peppers and a jalapeno until the skin is well charred. This can take anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Then remove the chilies from the griddle and cover with plastic wrap to soften them. In a bowl, combine Mexican crema, the roasted chilies, garlic, cilantro, and lime juice. Blend this with an immersion blender until everything is smooth, then season this with salt and set aside in the fridge until you're ready to use it. With your griddle over medium-high heat, drizzle on some oil, then add on your par-cooked lobster meat. Season the lobster with ground cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, and salt. Cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I griddled up my homemade flour tortillas. To build the lobster tacos, start with a base of thinly shredded green cabbage, then a generous portion of the lobster, followed by the roasted poblano crema, sliced avocado, pickled chilies, and radish. These lobster tacos were absolutely delicious. They had the perfect balance of smokiness, spice, and acidity, and they make for the perfect springtime lunch.